It's a bit more secure, but the first touch isn't a great one from Matkoko. There's something on here, and Ighodaro finally finds the back of the net. They pulled a goal back here. Chippy United.
This is much better from them now, but they need something to apply. Someone needs to pull the trigger. That's a good looking one. Excellent response. That's how you respond. Ighodaro, why he didn't start, I'll never know. And he's made an immediate impact. And just like that, we're level pegging. I've laid a hand on City.
Master plan was to bring him in. I was saying no, maybe not necessary for those sort of changes, but hey, he knows his team better, and that's the man that makes a huge difference. The delivery was superb. He gets up quite high, good technique, hits it down.
Understand that Royal AM looking to park the bus and protect the 1 goal and the 3 points they potentially earned in just the 6th minute of the game through Serra. Marman, Ighodaro, Chipper level. The Nigerian
taken quickly. Skukuna sleeping. The cross. Oh, and it headed.
Lutuli outswinger to the far post. Header! And a lovely one! Schwacha! Oh, God's power! Ighodaro. Lutuli gets a second opportunity to get that ball into the box. It is in! And it's Lindard in the back of the net. Ighodaro.
Galaxy. Ball played in. Now Ighodaro steals one. What a movement from Marman with the assist. Now coming on as a sub, showing nothing but signs of wanting
in a central role.
Chance for and what do you know? Another debutant on the score sheet. Ighodaro opens his account, taking advantage of some really slack defense.
Lachman, not a lot of space to try and get there. Lachman continues with the run. Darren Keith with the work, and Ighodaro, Schwacha.
Second and 6 goals lapha. Bheka lefika nje eyakhe lapha ke moral Ighodaro kwetinat. One pass nje inet imbukeli. What dive waphela goalkeeper pay.
The winning goal came in the 88th minute. A brilliant header leaning backwards.
now with Bali deep to the back post. Moment of magic. Ighodaro off the bench.
Looking better from an Amazulu perspective. Ighodaro! The second for Amazulu this season.
Hanamoop making some presence felt. Ighodaro!